Hello, my name is Ben Chapman. For those who don't know, Key Business Advisors is a specialist consulting firm that has supported 300 businesses over the last 14 years. As a team of 12, we have more than 150 years of business management and HR experience, with 3,000 happy customers and counting. We focus on 4 key areas: business strategy and growth, people and culture, HR advice and support, and sales training. When it comes to me, I have 20 years experience working in Fortune 500 and private equity ventures in the Asia Pacific region, United States and Europe. 15 years of that time has been at the director and general management level in companies such as Mars, Asahi and Veolia. Functionally, I lead HR and safety divisions, corporate affairs, sales and marketing and business transformation. I really enjoy helping companies develop and grow and offering solutions and options to make that a possibility. Being able to draw on such a broad background makes a tremendous difference to clients. As they say, nothing beats experience. Please call me on 0499 808 688 or check out our full range of services at keeper.com.au. Thanks and bye for now.